Constituent Assembly. When the Second World War was to end in 1945, the British understood that they could not stay in India for long. So before leaving India, they sent a mission, which was called the Cabinet Mission 1946. That Cabinet Mission suggested that Indians should constitute a Constituent Assembly. After getting its recognition, formed a Constituent Assembly. Actually N. Roy proposed an idea for a Constituent Assembly in 1934. C. Rajagopalachari put their demand for a Constituent Assembly on the 15th of November 1939. Elections held for the first time in 1946 under the Cabinet Mission Plan for the Constituent Assembly. When India became independent, India's population was around 400 million. And it was determined that there would be one seat on 10 lakh people. In this election, members were elected by single, transferable vote system of proportional representation. The total membership of the Constituent Assembly was 389, of which 292 were elected representatives of the states, 93 nominated representatives represented the princely states, and 04 were from the Chief Commissioner provinces. They were Ajmer in Rajasthan, Baluchistan, at present in Pakistan, Coorg in Karnataka, Delhi. The first meeting of Constituent Assembly held in December 1946. Only 207 members were present in the first meeting, in which only 9 women attended. Out of this, 73 members of the Muslim League and members of the princely states did not come. Members of the princely states did not come because they were confused whether they joined India or Pakistan. Sachchidanand Sinha, the oldest person in the Constituent Assembly, made acting president, not elected person. And on the 9th of December 1946, Rajendra Prasad became the permanent president of the Legislative Assembly, elected person. On the 13th of December 1946, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru offered an objective resolution preamble. B.N. Rao, who was not a member of the Constituent Assembly, prepared the draft, on which a draft committee, the 29th of August 1947, was formed to debate, and Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was elected the chairman of the draft committee. The draft committee had only 7 members. Total 11 sessions held, and the constitution was prepared on the 26th of November 1949, and it took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to form. 284 people who were present in the Constituent Assembly signed. Prem Bihari Narain Raizada wrote the entire constitution in a flowing italic style in the best calligraphic tradition of our country. When country was divided into India and Pakistan, the Constituent Assembly was also divided into the Constituent Assembly of India and Pakistan. The Constituent Assembly had 299 members, and it adopted the constitution on the 26th of November 1949, but it came into effect on the 26th of January 1950. To mark this day, we celebrate January 26th as Republic Day every year.